Hi guys, my name is Sanket. I welcome all of you to this new channel. Basically, I am a digital marketer, and I thought that I, want to try my luck in stock market. So I started learning the stock market thing from Udemy, from YouTube, and everything. And recently, I completed one course from Riyan sir of Theta Gainers, and I have started selling options now with the capital of 5-6 lakh rupees, and it's been going good. So today's 2nd June, and I passed the test given by the sir, and I thought, why not, let's record this journey and share with you guys on YouTube. So maybe I'll be doing a lot of mistakes. This is like my first month where I'll be doing independent options selling. Otherwise, earlier it was assisted by the sir. So I thought, why not share with you, and it might couple of you might find it motivating and all, and yeah, so that's why I created this channel. So if you are interested following this journey, understanding how I am going to do this option selling thing and all, so please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button for this video, and also click on that bell button. Thank you.